Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in or sign in to BitMart account using the BitMart mobile application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, go ahead and open up your BitMart application and you will soon end up in this homepage where you will need to sign in or sign up for your account. To log into your existing account, or to sign up for a new account, you can tap on sign up/sign in. If you don't have an account yet, tap the sign up button at the top right corner and follow through the sign up process. To log into your existing BitMart account, make sure that you're inside this BitMart login interface and then tap on either email or phone number. If you choose phone number, you will need to type in your mobile number along with your password for your BitMart account. If you choose email, write down your email address and password in the text boxes. After typing down both of your credentials, tap on the sign in button. On the next page, you will then need to verify your email address. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and open up the login verification code from BitMart. Copy the code inside it and get back to BitMart app and paste it inside the text box. Finally, you will be able to log in successfully to your BitMart account once you type in the verification code. So that's how you easily log into your existing BitMart account in just a couple of steps using your BitMart mobile app. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. Thank you so much for watching.